This video suggests how to make your vagina tight fast at home without surgery. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Make your genital passage tight fast at home without surgery with ease and without any side effects. Vagina tightening can be uncomfortable and awkward and also humiliating to talk about. But as the modern lifestyle progresses, it is a big problem for women across the world. It gets flappy or loose only due to childbirth, intercourse, and menopause, or simply because of aging bodies. This is a sexual health issue that causes insecurity in many women and lowers confidence levels. It might also make your partner feel unsatisfied, giving you a level of depression and sadness of underperformance. A tight and normal genital passage plays a very important role in keeping your relationship safe and healthy. It can only happen when you feel confident with a tight genital wall. In medical terms, tightening the genital passage means tightening of the pelvic floor muscle, which consists of coccygeus muscles, levator, and other related connective tissues that surround the area of the woman's pelvis. Make your vagina tight fast without surgery with the solutions mentioned further. The muscle tissue of the vulva, which is tightly folded, is naturally elastic just like your mouth. If you pull the corners of your mouth towards your ears in a smile and let go, they will go back to their original shape. This can be done countless times without any changes to how your mouth looks. Genital passage tightening in medical terms is the tightening of the pelvic floor. For the genital passage to maintain continence, these muscle groups must be able to relax and contract to allow for bowel movements, urination, a lovemaking act, and giving birth. Simple steps for vaginal rejuvenation. Make your vagina tight fast without surgery with these simple steps. Squeeze your internal pelvic muscles. Think of how it feels when you stop yourself from peeing. These are the same muscles you use to do this exercise. Try it out next time you're using the restroom. As soon as you have learned how to do this, just repeat this exercise numerous times throughout the day. You can do this inconspicuously and at your leisure. Bonus tip: VG3 tablets are vaginal tightening tablets that can help you make genital passage tight fast at home without any pain or side effects. It is a safe, convenient, and highly effective way to tighten your genital walls. VG3 tablets are made up of a unique combination of natural herbs that will help you cleanse and tighten your genital passage. This has been in use for centuries by Asian women. How to use VG3 tablets. Insert one VG3 tablet daily into your genital passage at bedtime or before lovemaking for getting maximum tightening sensation. VG3 tablets will dissolve partially. Some gelatin will come out when you urinate. Wash out gently with plain water in the morning or after 2 hours. The tablet tightening effect is seen right from the beginning. You can also enjoy lovemaking after inserting these pills. This is the best way to make your vagina tight fast without surgery. It is a great feeling to know that genital passage is clean and healthy, and you are much more confident while enjoying better sex. When you use these tablets, natural ingredients are released instantly and stimulate the genital passage. This helps to get rid of bad odor and mucus, and in turn strengthens and tightens the genital walls without surgery. Daily practice exercise and try VG3 tablets tonight and enjoy lovemaking episodes with your partner. Buy VG3 tablets at naturogain.com. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remedies@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.